When faced with conflict, in addition to just working it out with your conflict partner, you do have options. An attorney is somebody who advocates for the interest of their client. A therapist deals with emotional and psychological issues. A judge makes a decision in court. And an arbitrator makes a binding decision based on the evidence that is presented to them. What about a mediator? A mediator is a neutral third party who advocates for the process of mediation. They help to facilitate communication. The mediation process is considered voluntary. That means the parties in conflict decide whether or not they want to use mediation, or for how long they want to participate. Mediation also supports self-determination. Self-determination means the parties get to decide what issues they want to talk about, what decisions they need to make, and what solutions they want to come up with. Mediators are also bound by confidentiality, which means that a mediator cannot be asked to make reports of substance about what was talked about in a mediation. They cannot be called in by a subpoena to make any testimony or to provide any content that the parties, they themselves, have not permitted to leave the mediation room. Mediators can help parties write up an agreement, but in that agreement, we'll discuss who will get information, who it'll be shared with, and what they will do with these agreements. Mediation really supports and empowers individuals in conflict to address their conflict, to work with the mediator who will help support and advocate for the process and empower the parties who are finding themselves in conflict a way forward. Mediation is future focused. We want to understand how we got to where we are, but the focus is on what we can do moving forward. Mediators can help you rewrite your current story and create a narrative that reflects a future that you want, that you need, one that doesn't have conflict.